It is both good and bad. The good part about it is it gives you a clearer indication as to which economic policies the president-elect would like to follow in his administration. The uncertainty is how the markets will react. While the equities have gone up sharply, there is more of a doubt on the bond side, and you can see the yields going up, and the mortgage rate is likely to increase as well because of the expectation that the fiscal deficit is not going to be controlled with the measures that Donald Trump promised before the elections. That, I think, is the big risk. That, I think, is the big change, Paul, in terms of what has happened. And look at the dollar. The dollar has strengthened so much. And that is just the opposite of what Trump wanted. He has always said in his first administration, he likes a cheap dollar. He wants low interest rates. And both of them, I think, are at risk now with a stronger dollar and potentially higher interest rates in the United States.
So, Sri, let's game this out here. Beijing, are they going to depreciate the yuan relative to the dollar if these tariffs go through? I mean, that would be the playbook, right?
That would be the playbook, but they can try and do that, Damian, in terms of what that would achieve for them in terms of the trade side. But if indeed the Trump is going to go ahead with a 60% import tariff on Chinese products, any extent of depreciation of the renminbi yuan is not going to offset it. The big problem is that the tariffs are going to be more important than the exchange rate as far as China is concerned. From a Trump point of view, he has to look and see what a tariff increase would do to the United States. I am a firm believer that tariffs are bad. They will push up inflation rate. And as a student of history, I looked at the Smoot-Hawley tariff of June 1930. It was done by President Herbert Hoover with a very good intention. We wanted to protect American farmers. We wanted to protect American trade. Instead, it gave rise to retaliation by trade partners, and that in turn made the depression deeper and more widespread than before. So that's the risk I think Trump runs, and he needs to be very careful with the tariff moves.